Chamon. Welcome back, year 6, lesson 4. The last lesson, we're focusing on multiplication before we move on to something else. This time we're going to do some word problems, okay? So I'm going to go through this example nice and quickly, and then you guys are going to have a go working through some word problems. So that's a TV, believe it or not. A TV costs £249. How much will 25 TVs cost? So hopefully you've recognised that the sum that you need to work out is 249. So that's the price of one TV and multiply it by 25. So if we do that now together, I'm going to start, remember, at the bottom. So that 5, I'm going to go up to the 9, across to the 4, and then across to the 2. So 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20. Add the 4 underneath is 24. And 5 2s are 10. Add the 2 underneath. I'm going to get rid of those because sometimes they get in the way. So I now need to put my placeholder in to show that that 2 next to the 5 is a 20. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 4 is 8. Add the 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. So now, last thing I need to do is add those two answers together. 5 add nothing is 5. 4 add 8 is 12. 9 add 2 is 11. Add the 1 underneath is 12. 4 add 1 is 6. So those TVs will cost £6,225. So these are the problems that I'd like you to focus on now. These ones here. So you've got 6 problems. You know the drill by now, guys. You need to pause the screen. Okay, work your way through them. And then when you're ready to go through the answers, press play. Okay, so going through the answers now then. Bunch of flowers, £15. 38 of them will cost 38 multiplied by 15, which is £570. Okay, a radio costing £48. 25 of them is 48 times 25. So the answer is £1,152. An iPad costs £149, so I need to multiply that number by 80. See, £11,920. £450 for a week's holiday. How much will it cost a football squad of 24? So 450 times 24, which is £10,800. Hope they've been doing some fundraising. Okay, so a world cruise, £899 per person. How much will it cost for 75 people? This is going to be a relatively large number now. £67,425. Then the last one, a Rolex costs £657, a Seiko £428. So there was 2 steps to this. You needed to multiply the 657 by 18 for the Rolexes, and you needed to multiply 428 by 12 for the Seikos. And then once you had those 2 answers, A and B, we needed to add them together. And if you added them together, you would have got £16,962. Let me just double check that that was what I worked out. Yes, it was. So just go up the top there. There's your answers. I'll just circle them. 570, 1152, 11920, 10,800, 67,425, and then the last one was that there. So well done, guys, for completing your 4th lesson. All the comments are now enabled on the YouTube channel, so please do let me know how you're getting on, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.